According to the Global Hunger Index Report 2022, India is ranked 107th out of 121 countries. Odisha also has its influence. As per the census 2011, about 40% of the total population of Odisha are tribal. From the very beginning, they have been living in forests. That's why they are known as indigenous tribes. They are very weak in terms of socio-economic sphere. Despite of rapid economic growth, a census revealed that 32.6% of the total population lives below the poverty line. Due to the effects of global warming, the climate is undergoing massive changes. Due to the effects of climate change, natural disasters are constantly increasing. This is causing widespread deforestation and significant decline in agricultural production. As a result, it has created a serious food crisis for the forest-dwelling tribal communities. Although extensive government facilities are available to them, landlessness and migration continue to have a major negative impact on their livelihood. Realizing the importance of these problems, the International Voluntary Organization Terre des Hommes (TDH) of Germany is implementing a developmental project in 116 villages of 2 districts of Odisha, namely Kalahandi and Raigada. Associate to major voluntary organizations of Odisha, Dapta and Living Firm are in charge of implementing the project in Kalahandi and Raigada districts respectively. The project aims to strengthen the nutritional food security of local tribes by giving them rights to their forest lands, which is included in the Sustainable Development Goal.
ये आमर जो प्रोग्राम चली इटा BMZ जर्मनी आउ TDS जर्मनी सहायता रे आमे कलाहांडी जिलार लांजीगढ़ ब्लॉक रे 50टा गाँव रे काम करूँ सेठी फूड सिक्योरिटी फूड सोवरेनिटी आउ फॉरेस्ट प्रोटेक्शन आउ फॉरेस्ट राइट या पर हमर मुख्य काम अछि.
In the first phase of the project plan, village development committees were formed with the villagers. With the help of volunteers, the villagers prepared social and resource maps of the villages for proper land use plan.
आगु टिके लंडा तिला आइगा जे हमके सुविधा न लागुतिला एटा हमरो केनटा तास जमी करबा केनटा बिल जमी करबा बोली कराइगा कोनटा कोन चाष हेबा ई बिल रे दान हेबो ई पोदारे मांडिया हेबो कुसला हेबो ई कांदलो हेबो बिरी हेबो सब हेबो.
Earlier, the main source of livelihood of these tribes was forest products. They used to earn their livelihood by collecting food from the forest. Not only food, different types of roots were collected and treated in traditional ways for various diseases. But gradual forest degradation and government restrictions created problems for their livelihood. That is why efforts were made to recover the lost forest. Various seeds were collected by the villagers to restore the forest. A mixture of cow dung and clay was prepared. By filling it with seeds, seed ball is prepared. These seed balls were thrown in the forest clearings. Thus efforts were made to recover the lost forests.
चतु कंदा करडी साग सेमती आनिकी पाउतलु सर धीरे धीरे जंगल कमी गला आमे चेष्टा कलु जेमिति जंगलटा बढु आमे ग्रुप पटन कलु माटी आ गोबर सीट बल तैयार करू वर्षा पूर्व ताकू जंगल रु पिंग देलु सर भल गच होईची आरु जंगल धीरे धीरे बढ़ुची.
हमरो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट रे गोटे थाई जे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रे केमती चारा सब जंगल रे सब गाँ प्रति जन जन करी आमे गछ लगाइबा पई चेष्टा करि थाउ आ सोइठी लिविंग फार्म आसे कि आम सोइठी सहयोग करी आम रु चारा नै कि तांके प्रत्येक गाँ गाँ बुली गछ रो जंगल रो वृद्धि करिवारे हमर साहाय्य करिसंती.
Previously, our indigenous seeds were used to adapt to our country's climate. But gradually farmers adopted hybrid seeds. This cultivation was costly and gradually depleted the fertility of the soil. It also had an impact on the environment. As a result, the cost of the crops production increased and the agricultural production decreased. This also leads to loss of biodiversity. Indigenous seeds adapted to our climate have been recovered and stored through the seed bank. The farmers cultivated the seeds and produced more, and again collected the seeds from the fields and planted them in the seed bank.
आगु नहीं करूँ सार आगु बजार आणुलु सार एटा नहीं होता एबे निजे आम चाषबास करुचु बिहन आम पैसा खर्च हेबार ना आगु पैसा खर्च होता बल हेबार ना.
The partner in communities were advised to use organic fertilizers instead of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. They were trained to make organic fertilizers and pesticides using local resources that are easily and freely available. Farmers made organic fertilizers and applied them to crops. As a result, the environment could be balanced as well as production increased.
लाउ भेंडी तापरे जनी काकड़ी टमाटर बाइगन निजे करी कर खाऊची सार गोबर खत देउची सार गोबर खत करूछु सार बाजार खत नहीं देबा.
A nutritional garden was designed and implemented to provide nutritional food for the community partners. In these, wastewater is used for irrigation. As a result, the beneficiaries were able to get nutritious food.
आगरु पनिबार तास नहीं करता आगे एबे करूछु लाउ करूछु आज्ञा बरबटी टमाट बाइगन आरी जनी आर भेंडी आरी साग आज्ञा सबु दिने तरकार कर खाऊछु आज्ञा बेसी हेले साइमन के देउछु.
In the past, the favorite food of the tribal was millet and small grains. These small grains are highly nutritious. It can be cultivated anywhere and it is familiar with the climate of our country. It requires very less water for this cultivation. These were cultivated in a mixed farming manner. So the farmers were encouraged to restore this mixed farming method. By collecting different varieties of millet seeds, farmers could cultivate them and increase millet production. As a result, they could strengthen their food security as well as obtain nutritious food. Planting different types of millets simultaneously on the same farm improved biodiversity.
आगुरु हमर माँ बापा कोन बियान करतिला सेटा करतिला आज्ञा आगुरु कसला दान तापर मांडिया कांगू कोन कोन बियान माने तिले आज्ञा सेटा करतिले तापर एबेलिबम फार्म आज्ञा माने आसिले आर बियान अधिक देले एबे 3-4 प्रकार हेले बियान.
The broken canals were repaired. After the repair of the canal, many farmland could be irrigated. As a result, paddy crop has been harvested in sufficient quantity in that area this year.
आज्ञा अगर चाषबास मिसा करथिले आज्ञा मुंडा केनाल टिके खराब थिला आज्ञा एबे हमर लिविंग फार्मर आज्ञा माने हमके सिरमिट दी करे हमके साहाय्य शुरू कर देले मेटल साहाय्य देले बाली साहाय्य देले सिरमिट साहाय्य देले सार हमें ता बोली कर हमें निजे निजे जाई कर सार हमें मुंडा केनाल भांगी जाइतिला निजे हमें बने करी अनलु पानी.
Cultivation of climate resilience indigenous seeds greatly increased rice production. As a result, there was success in reducing hunger.
वर्षा नथिला देशे पानी नथिला गाने तो धान नहीं होताई आगरु खत नहीं थाई आज्ञा हल बोल किछि नहीं थाई एबे हल करिछन पिला मने एबे से गोबर खत करी चाषटा टिके अबर होउचे.
Provision of pure drinking water was made by voluntary organizations for the community partners. As a result, the women were relieved of their hardships and they were able to drink clean water.
पानी टोटाली नहीं मिलु थाई हमर दप्तर सरकार असला हमके सुविधा देला केते जरण पानी खाउतिलु छाली छाली कर जाउतिलु.
Youth committees were formed with the young men and women in the villages. All these youth forces engaged themselves in various developmental work and were able to do a lot of development work in the villages.
जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होची ताहा पई हमें हमरो गां स्तर रे यूथ माने को ग्रुप करूछु आ हमें हमरो यूथ ग्रुप रे हम ए परिवेश जो बदलछि ताको हमें केमिति आगो भली टिके सजाड़ीबा ताहा विषय रे हमें नेकी चर्चा करछु आ हमें काम भी करछु.
आम गाँव में जमती पिला माने अछंती माने ड्रॉप आउट पिला ताको आमे नै कि एडमिशन करैछु प्राय 10-15 टी पिला हबो आमे हॉस्टल मानक करे एडमिशन करे देछु।
The biggest prejudice among these tribes was child marriage, which was dangerous for both the mother and the child. Village youths are making efforts to sensitize people to reject child marriage.
जेते बेले माने 15 वर्ष रु सेते बेले बाहागर कर देतिले तांको मांकर भी देह खराब होतिला शिशुर भी देह खराब हो जातिला। आमे जो टाइम रे बुझेछु एबे 18 रु ऊर्ध हेले माने बापा माँ मैरिज करूचंती मैरिज कला परे तांकर देह भल रहउची।
Children's groups were formed with emphasis on the development of children's health and education. The volunteers gave appropriate advice to the children for their development. After learning a lot on their own, these children continue to try to make it accessible to the public.
ଦାନ୍ତ ଶସ୍ତାରେ ସବୁ ପରିଷ୍କାର ପରିଚ୍ଛନ୍ନ ରହିବାକୁ କୁହାଯାଉଛି। ଗାଁ ସଫେଇ କରାଯାଉଛି। ଚପଲ ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଜାଳ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି। ଖାଇବା ଆଗରୁ ସାବୁନରେ ହାତ ଧୋଇବାକୁ ପଡୁ। ଏଇଟା ଆମେ ଶିଖୁଛୁ ଆମେ ଗାଁ ଲୋକକୁ ସବୁ ଶିଖେଇ ଦେଉଛୁ।
Another successful program of this project is the establishment of learning centers in villages without schools.
एठू हेब स्कूल 3 किलोमीटर तो जीवा लगी असुविधा होता से लर्निंग सेंटर गोटे खोला है तो ये सार मैंने आसिकी मत पढ़ाई कहले।
For the development of children, these two organizations are working together with the Anganwadi workers to make various programs successful.
दाप्ता संस्था सांगरे मिसी आमे काम करूछु आ ओजन वेट हाइट नौछु गाँ सफाई करूछु शिशु बैठक करा जाउछि आ जो हाथ धुआ सेटा करा जाउछि।
In those villages where there are no Anganwadi centers, the government's Pada Prishti scheme is being implemented.
हमरो लिविंग फार्म एवं आईसीडीएस उभय मिलित भाव कार्यकारिता होछि। लिविंग फार्म ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तरफरु हमरो कर्मी मानकु कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग उपरे जो दिया जायथिला जो ट्रेनिंग ताहा ग्राम रे प्रत्येक केंद्र रे एवं पड़ापुष्ट रे सफलतार रूपायन भावे ठिया होइछि।
Role of both men and women in shaping society. Therefore, various training camps have been organized to eliminate gender discrimination and efforts are being made to create awareness.
माँ मानकु से मानकु घरे रे रखी देबा द्वारा से माने घर कोण रे रही तांकर जो अभिवृद्धि हेबा कथा ताहा हेई पारिने सेइथि पई समाज निर्माण रे महिला मानकु मध्य सेई सुजोग देबा कथा।
Another step in the plan was tree planting. Trees are being planted in unused barren land and taken care of these plants.
आमर बापा बेले ताहेल भी गछ थिला से मने आमके जहाँ से फल मूल आनी कर भी आमके कहूला जहाँ भी तो से आमर बापा मैंने मरीगले गछ भी जहाँ भी मरीगले गछ देखुचु जे गछ नाई ना एरिया को केन्ता कले केन्ता हेबो बोली करी आमे आइए ए गछटा आमे लगे देखिछु।
To solve the various problems in the villages, the volunteers are working together with the villagers to find out how they can be solved at the government level.
हमरो 6टा ग्राम पंचायत और 66टा गाँव रे लिविंग फार्म तरफरु विभिन्न जीवन जीविका कार्यक्रम चलुची जो थिरे अधिका गुरुत्व दिया होची जे हमर जो आदिवासी भाई भौणी माने अछंती से मानकर आय बढ़िबो।
Food festival is being organized on various occasions with the forest food of the tribes.
आमे जंगल चाड़बू ना जंगल चाले केमते हेबू सेठी सबु प्रकार अछि सबु जिनिस अछि डंगर जमी पटा टिके मिलु बोली लकी करम सब देउछु आमे सेटा पई मीटिंग मास को मास बोलुछु डंगर चाड़बू नाही बोली डंगर पटाले मिलु बोली लिबिंग पारमेसा बोलिछु आमे
लोक मानकर केमती से मानकर खाद्य सुरक्षा निश्चित हबो एवं केमती से जीवन जीविकार सुरक्षा हो पार ताकू नहीं लोक मान सहित मिसिकी काम करुचु। जंगल जमी जोटा लोक मानकर अधिकार किंतु आज जाए से पाखे तार पट्टा नथिला जंगल अधिकार आईन व्यवहार करी लोक माने जंगल जमी उपर अधिकार को हासिल करुचंती एवं जंगल केमिति दीर्घकालीन भितर परिचालना हो पार जंगल केमिति से माने अधिक खाद्य पाई परिबे जंगल केमिति से माने रोजगार पाई परिबे ताकू नहीं खूब सुचारू रूपे काम करुचंती।
The duration of this program is 5 years. The program has seen many successes in the past 2 years. With the gradual disappearance of hunger, the hunger crisis has ended.
Bosire,